में हमने देखी मुन्ना के जिगरी की बहुत ही टचिंग एंट्री, और हमारे साथ है मनीष गांधी हु प्लेज द कैरेक्टर, तो लेट्स स्पीक टू हिम अबाउट इट। तो पहले हमें बताइए कि ये रोल आपने क्यों एक्सेप्ट किया जब आपको ऑफर किया गया था?
I think all this while the kind of work that I was doing was quite different from this particular character, and what interested me in this character was also that people have been searching for this character for a long time, so the audience has certain expectations of how that character would be, and of course it comes across as a shock the moment you see that that character is actually placed in asylum. So these things were pretty interesting. Then the casting director happens to be a good friend, so when she told me that there is such a role that she wants to test me for, I immediately responded. I said, sure, bring it on.
How do you get into character? Because ये आपका जो look है, आपका look and feel है, आपकी जो acting है, how do you get into that?
For me, I need to understand the kind of madness that this boy is going through. So breathing is very important for me, to just understand how this character breathes. So there are times when he's throwing things away. There are times. So for me, it was very important to understand why he went mad and how he really went about in his life. So taking clues from there, I construct images in my mind pertaining to that particular scene. That Mohan has a certain back history. So I think mad people have a lot of visual sense of who this person is and who they spend time with, and what kind of time it was. So for that, I saw like few scenes of the younger kid who played this character before, and then I got an understanding of what their relationship is and what are the things that he did, but he understood in a different way. And of course, with passage of time, things keep on changing. You start adding your own details. So
I believe आपका थिएटर का भी एक्सपीरियंस है, तो कितना काम आया है इसमें?
थिएटर तो लाइफ है तो वो तो आई थिंक जिंदगी भर काम आता रहेगा. आई डोंट थिंक इट्स जस्ट टेलीविजन जहाँ पे थिएटर काम आता है. थिएटर आई थिंक सोर्स है सब चीज़ों का, चाहे टेलीविजन हो चाहे फिल्म हो, सब वहीं से निकली है चीजें.
आपने कहा कि आप जिनके साथ काम कर रहे हो, they are good people. How is it working with Kanwar, and now you're going to work with Kunal? So how is it?
Yeah, Kunal I haven't really interacted with, but Kanwar has been very helpful in terms of, because you come to a new set and people are shooting. This is season 2, so people have been working on this for a long time. So people are used to working in a certain environment in a certain way. Like we are supported by music sometimes to get the scene right, and I'm not used to it. I'm not used to the medium to get the scene right. So that ways I've been really helped by people around. The director is very supportive. I think he's one of the most supportive directors I've met. However much I've worked in television. Besides that, the actors I keep on meeting, they are very helpful. They help me in understanding the space. Yeah.
तो जैसे आपने कहा इस कैरेक्टर के बारे में बहुत ज्यादा क्यूरियोसिटी थी, people were looking forward to meet this character. तो आपको कैसा रिएक्शन मिला है? What is the response?
The Facebook messages are not stopping. So I've been getting a lot of messages like almost every day now. People are sympathizing with this character, and they are able to sort of like last night I got a text from somebody saying that and what is peculiar about these people is that they are not family and friends. These are people who I don't even know. These are people who've been watching this series for a long time. So they say that the character was going about hitting the wall, and Mohan's photograph was there, and apparently Mohan is like this big thing in the minds of the audiences. But somebody just texted me saying that at no moment they could hate me, even though I was hitting that character, because they felt that action was very innocent. So it was never right versus wrong. It was always right versus right. And I think that was like a challenge for me to live up to the right versus right equation.
डायरेक्टर की एक्सपेक्टेशन होगी, ऑडियंस की एक्सपेक्टेशन होगी, आपके इस कैरेक्टर के साथ क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन है, कहाँ जाएगा ये कैरेक्टर?
मैं एक्चुअली पागलपन की जो बात की जाती है तो आई थिंक फिजिकल मैडनेस इज ऑफ कोर्स वन थिंग दैट वी ऑल रिलेट विद. तो मेरा सबसे बड़ा कंसर्न इस कैरेक्टर को लेकर था कि कहीं एक स्टीरियोटाइप ना बन जाए कि एक पागल इंसान. क्योंकि शुरू में जैसे मेरे जो कुछ दोस्तों वगैरह ने देखा, उन लोगों ने मुझे कहा कि ठीक है एक पागल इंसान का कैरेक्टर है, बट देयर इज अ लाइफ टू इट. हर पागल इंसान एक तरीका का पागलपन नहीं करता है, यू नो, एंड दे हैव अ लाइफ ऑफ देयर ओन एंड द वे दे go about doing their things. So I think what is most important for me is to space मिल रहा है स्क्रिप्ट के अंदर, या फिर जिस तरीके से मुझे कैमरा पर शूट किया जा रहा है, उतने समय के अंदर मैं कैसे इस कैरेक्टर को और बिलीवेबल बना सकता हूँ. आई थिंक वो मेरे लिए एक चैलेंज है. ऑल्सो कितना लाइफ है इस कैरेक्टर के पास, यू नो, नॉट नेसेसरीली कि ये कैरेक्टर एक पागल इंसान है तो ही कैन गो वायलेंट एंड ही गोज अबाउट थ्रोइंग बुक्स. तो स्क्रिप्ट में ऐसी चीजें लिखी होती हैं फनी फनी, बट एक एक्टर का काम है फिर अल्टीमेटली उसको जिंदगी देना कैरेक्टर को. इट्स अ वेरी simple thing. I mean, these writers, they go about writing the souls, but actors then embody those characters, you know. So I think that now we have to add that light.